Hey everybody, it's Krista from the Krista Rosie team. And Rosie, Jen, and I thought it might be kind of fun if we put together a weekly video for you to talk about the market. We are hearing a lot of questions from our buyers and our sellers about the market, and they're questioning the headlines and seem reasonably confused. So we thought we would take a deep dive into what is happening each week and send it to you right into your inbox. So look for that each week. We know that some of you are actively looking and some of you are passively looking. So we were thinking that we would change it up each week and hopefully you'll find it of value. So first and foremost, let's talk about rates. So rates this week, I know they ticked up a little bit. The economy was showing some signs of resilience. And so when that happens, the Fed tends to adjust things. And that's what they've done. If you haven't checked in with your mortgage broker recently meaning in the last couple of months, maybe the last 3, 4, 5 months, then you might want to check in with them and just see what your particular loan is looking like in terms of rates. So just because the Fed makes an adjustment doesn't mean that your loan has been adjusted or the rate for your loan will be adjusted. So that's the first thing. Second thing I want to look at is the headlines. So if I Google real estate headlines for the Bay Area, then what comes up is, prices have gone down in December 2022 and prices are expected to continue to go down. What is it, a 6.8% decline in the Bay Area? Well, here's the thing. The Bay Area is this big, right? So if we look at our hyper-local market, right, if we look at Berkeley and Oakland and the surrounding cities right here, we'll see a little bit of a different story. So like if I'm looking at Oakland, for example. So Oakland right now, street by street, if you are on a good street and the house has pretty much everything someone's looking for, it's going to get snapped up, and it's going to get snapped up with multiple offers. And it's probably going to sell for pretty significantly over the list price. If you're in an area where maybe it's not as desirable of a street, or there's something a little bit off about the floor plan, probably not going to see multiple offers, and that's going to be a situation where maybe the prices will be affected. Let's see here. If I look at, let's talk about Berkeley. Okay, so if you're in the Berkeley Flats, that's a completely different story. Berkeley Flats, Albany, we're kind of still seeing a lot of overbidding. So 1721 McGee, they took offers last week and they got 7 offers. 7 offers, and it went, let's see, listed at $1,098,000, and I know it sold for something a little bit over 1.3. Also, just this week, 1136 Addison took offers, same thing. So 2-bed, 1-bath listed at $1,098,000, and that one ended up with 9 offers. So Berkeley Flats still holding strong, pretty active over there. Now let's look at a condo, 1420 Grant. That one also received multiple offers, listed at $599, and I think they got 4 offers. Now, here's something interesting, 5291 Belvedere. Know that some of you were actually looking at that when it was on the market last year. It was listed at $138,000. It didn't get any offers. So we reached out and said, hey, you might want to consider this one because it's transparently priced. And we know that the 2-bedroom, 1-baths in Berkeley are selling for a little bit over 1.3. So that transparent price seemed reasonable, but being listed there wasn't so reasonable. Well, now it's with a new realtor, listed lower, so we'll see what happens with that one. So what else? 2923 East 17th Street took offers this week as well. And you know what? This is 2 houses on 1 lot, and I heard that they were going to get over 12 offers, so we'll see what happened with that one. If you're going to head out this week and take a look at some stuff, I wanted to just highlight a few things for you. So 1334 Keynes in Berkeley is going to be open Saturday and Sunday from 2 to 4, and that's a 3-bed, 2-bath home. So if you're looking for something a little bit bigger than those normal 2-bed, 1-bath bungalows, this is a good one to look at. 5403 Sylvan in El Cerrito is open Sunday 2 to 4:30, and that one's got a nice big yard. So yard is important. Check that one out. 1410 Lincoln, back to the Berkeley Flats. Here's another one, 2-bedroom, 1-bath, and it's open Sunday. Guess what that one's going to probably sell for? Who knows? 471 North Street is another one. It's open Saturday and Sunday. Now this one is a 2-bed, 1-bath, but it has a permitted studio. So that could be some good passive income right there. Anyway, so those are a few things for you to take a look at. And as always, reach out to us if you have any questions. We're happy to help. All right, have a fantastic weekend. Oh, and if you're looking for some really great hikes this weekend, take a look down the newsletter, and Rosie has some fun stuff to say about the Temescal Lake Loop. All right, ciao.